Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new to this channel, I am Tino and this is Today with Tino. Today we are going to be making a nice sweet and sour chicken. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so and leave your comment on the comment section down below. Alright, so let's get down to it. For this recipe, you're going to need 1 yellow pepper, 1 red pepper, 1 green pepper, and an onion. Chop all these vegetables into big, chunky chunks. So we are done with the onions. Now onto the yellow pepper. Be careful with that knife, honey. And now the red pepper. Finally, some green pepper. Put all those vegetables aside. And now it's time to open that pineapple can. I prefer using a can of pineapples because they are in season all year round and they're guaranteed to be sweet. But for a healthier option or an organic option, you can obviously use fresh pineapple. Drain the excess syrup and chop it up into big chunks just like what you did with the vegetables. And I like picking one piece for myself just so that I can enjoy it for the moment. I mean, one tiny piece will not make a difference. Get your pieces of chicken. I used the full bird. Season it with some salt. Add some white pepper. And some garlic powder. Mix it all up. I usually prefer leaving it overnight so that the spices marinate the chicken well. Next, you're going to need some flour, cornstarch, baking powder, and some water. Make sure it's ice cold, baby. Mix the butter and add that marinated chicken. This is going to be so delicious. I decided to do it differently and shake it all up, but only to realize that didn't work. So I'm using my hands for this. In a separate bowl, hey, the flour is back. Yes, we do use the flour more than once. So mix your flour, add some salt, and just mix those simple ingredients together. I ended up getting carried away and I wrote my initial in the flour. On to the next stage. At this point, we take our chicken and we put it in the flour mixture. Make sure the piece of chicken is covered up nicely. Shake off the excess flour. Shake it off. And then you put it in the hot burning oil. Make sure you are careful. Do not burn yourself. I've got this bad habit of using my hands, but to be safe, please use some kitchen utensils to transfer your chicken into the oil. Make sure you keep checking the progress of that chicken. Usually it takes about 5 to 10 minutes on each side, giving it a golden brown color. And that's how you see that it's ready to get out of that oil. Transfer the chicken into a clean container. You will need some white vinegar, soy sauce, tomato ketchup or tomato sauce, and some white sugar. Since I kind of ran out of white sugar, I mixed it up with brown sugar. It doesn't make a difference. In a separate bowl, mix your sugar, vinegar, tomato sauce. We are not going to waste even one single drop. And not forgetting the soy sauce. Mix all those ingredients together. In a big pot, pour some cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the vegetables, the onions, and the green peppers that we chopped up earlier. When you're done frying the vegetables, add the deep fried chicken. Go ahead and add that sweet and sour sauce. Cover the pot and let it simmer. Occasionally stir your chicken. At this point, you can smell the beautiful aroma. And finally, the pineapples. Add them to the chicken. They're going to add a nice, sweet and tangy taste. There you have it, the sweet and sour chicken. I prefer to serve it with rice, but you are free to serve it with any dish of your choice. So that is my version of the sweet and sour chicken. I hope you enjoy it just as much as I am going to enjoy it. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you liked it or a thumbs down if you didn't like it, but there's a very high chance you are going to love it. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.